In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to factory reset or restore your Acer laptop back to default and delete all of your personal files on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says recovery. Reset, advanced startup, or go back. And then underneath recovery options, reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. Select reset PC. If you want to delete everything, you want to select the remove everything option, remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings, and then just follow through with the on-screen wizard. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.